Hey y'all, Cookin' Savvy here. Let's talk springtime soups for a minute. I have a roasted tomato soup recipe that will make what's for supper a little easier. And y'all, the secret to taking this soup's tastiness up a notch is roasting the tomatoes with a mesquite seasoning. All you got to do is slice up tomatoes, onions, and garlic and place them in a baking dish. Sprinkle with garlic powder, onion powder, sugar, and that mesquite seasoning. Drizzle avocado oil over the top and mix well. Bake at 375 for about an hour. Then blend in a blender until it's smooth. Pour the tomatoes into a pot and mix in broth and whipping cream. Bring to a simmer and add salt and pepper to taste. Pair this with a grilled cheese sandwich and you will please even your pickiest of eaters. Now that's what I call a savvy bowl of springtime scrumptious. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin' Savvy.